After a sell-off, the markets end the day flat. My name's D7 here at Grok Trade. It's Thursday, March 24th, 2016, and the markets are all over the place today. We started off the day very bearish. However, most of the indices did find bullish territory by day's end, but just by a fraction. You have banks and financials off, and then you have the crude oil and precious metals also down. Here we are looking at the chart, and the chart here shows a nice uptrend to the upside, busting through all resistance levels, at least short-term resistance levels, and above most major moving averages. Right now finding support at the 50-day moving average, or I'm sorry, the 200-day moving average here, that's acting as a support level. And we had this gap down and a rally up filling this gap today. We do have a close below the 8 EMA moving average, second close below the 8 EMA. This is a little bull pullback showing some bullish activity. However, the volume has been very light here on the pullback. You can see that down here. Very light. Small caps doing a little better than the rest of the indices. You'll see that we have this gap down, run up, and we have what's called a bearish thrusting pattern. This bearish thrusting pattern did close above the rising 20-day moving average. We did have a rising wedge. It did break down. The question is what will happen on Friday? Now, Friday is very important to me as a trader. Let me explain to you why. If I go to the weekly chart here, on Friday, if we do not rally, we're going to have a very good chance of this downtrend continuing to the downside here. This is a weekly chart. If I go back to the spider and show you the weekly chart, if we get a close below this area, so if we get a nice sell-off on Friday, and I'm talking a 200-300 point day on the Dow to the downside, it could even be more than that. If we get that sell-off that happens, that's going to be very troublesome for the bulls here in the markets. And that will solidify this tweezer top reversal pattern that we have here on the weekly chart on the S&P 500 as far as small caps are concerned. If you go to the weekly chart, we have a doji, a big run up, or rolling over a doji. This is telling me that we're going to be dropping going into this next month, and it's going to be a nasty little drop here. So I do not want to be long this market, especially with what I'm seeing here at this moment. We do have support at the 20-week moving average, but it's a doji. It's a reversal pattern waiting to break down. We went higher on low volume. So that's something, that's a warning out there for you all. Meerkat did a very good video. If you go to freeonlinetradingeducation.com, click on trading videos, and click on the Easter eggs, watch his video. You find it very educational. People are loving it, and I think you will love it too. And you should not be trading, period. Do not trade, because dollars to donuts, you are losing money in the markets and have been for a while. You are down money. You're not up money. That's because you don't have a trading mentor. Get that fixed. Check us out. If you like it, catch you guys later.